Welcome back to another episode of Stories from the Shadow. Today's story is going to change how you look at the dark. Kelvin met a girl online named Maya. She always texted at midnight. She sent pictures, she sent voice notes. They talked for weeks. One night she said, "Open your door." Kelvin laughed. "Stop joking." She replied, "I'm not joking." His door handle slowly moved. She checked the security camera on his phone and saw someone standing outside holding his phone, texting him. And the person outside smiled because Kelvin was not the only one inside.